Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I would like to share with you recipe of ivy gourd fry, that is dondakai fry. It is based on the diet principles of Veeramachaneni sir, and also dondakai, that is ivy gourd, helps to control and reduce the sugar levels. So it is very useful for diet. Without any delay, let's start the process. For this recipe, we need ivy gourd, curry leaves, green chilies, ghee, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, dry red chilies, rock salt, red chili powder, dhania powder, jeera powder, and one special powder which is homemade. I have made this powder using cinnamon, cloves, ilachi, sesame seeds and flax seeds. This powder is going to make our recipe more delicious. Now coming to the process, first in a pan I have taken, now in this ghee I am going to add cumin seeds and mustard seeds, then green chilies, curry leaves and dry red chilies. Then let us mix this. Now I am going to add ivy gourd also to this. It is going to take about 10 minutes. So let us cover this with lid, and in the middle we are going to check this so that it would be roasted on the two sides properly. Now I am going to add salt. This is rock salt. I have grounded this. Salt is going to be added according to taste, and then again I am going to cook this for 5 minutes after mixing. Now this is done. I am going to add red chili powder half teaspoon, then dhania powder half teaspoon, jeera powder half teaspoon, then 2 to 3 teaspoons of the special masala powder. Then I am going to mix this well. Now our curry is ready. Serve it hot. For more health videos, please press the subscribe button, and also don't miss to press the bell icon when you subscribed it.